In this video, we will learn how to fix PagerDuty provisioning error while verifying if a user exists. Let's get started. First, log into the Okta admin console. Navigate to Applications, then Applications. On the Assignments tab, you will see this error message. Next, go to the Provisioning tab, then Integrations, and click Edit. Go to your PagerDuty admin console. Under Integrations, copy the API key. Paste this in the API key section on the Okta admin console. Then copy the email from admin account on the PagerDuty admin console. Paste that into the admin username section on the Okta admin console and click Test API Credentials. This will display PagerDuty was verified successfully, then click Save. Now navigate to Dashboard, then Tasks, search for the admin user, and click Filter. Click on the error displayed for the user, click on the PagerDuty applications, and select the box next to the user. Refresh selected, and this will update to show there are no more errors for this user. Go back to Applications, then Applications, and search for the PagerDuty application. Select the PagerDuty application, click Edit next to the user, and verify the external ID. Navigate back to the PagerDuty admin console and refresh the user page. Now you will see the user displays on the PagerDuty page. And that is how to fix PagerDuty provisioning error while verifying if a user exists. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.